Nope. Testing, testing. All right. Oh gosh. Hold on, y'all. I'm coming. Where is that scanner talking from? Go. All right. Okay. Now, this looks bootleg. That's all the screen y'all can see? Bruh, this is whack. I don't even know if there's a point, bro. Can y'all hear me? All right. Well, doing this from one screen is ridiculous. And why doesn't the monitor, the whole screen fit on OBS? Like, what is happening? Ooh, hide OBS from capture. That's cool. Yes. Okay. I don't know what I can do. No, that ain't gonna work either. All right. Well, this is what we got, folks. Um, let's see here. Baby going crazy, bruh. What a day. Like the OBS is just like mad retarded right now. Well, anyway, how you guys doing today? uh, hmm, let me try one thing real quick, see if that'll make this make more sense for me. All right, what's that look like? Looks like it's all right. Now I feel like my connection's gone. No, I'm still recording. Morning, guys. Well, I can close that. Well, I mean, my screen is cool. I can see what I need to see, but I'm looking at the YouTube and my screen is just not centered so that everybody can see everything. Okay, I think I figured it out. Ah, duh. Boom. Yeah. All right, cool. Now we in the game. Got the chat. All right, cool. Nah, bro. I'm on my laptop. We had a huge storm in Kansas City and my power is off at the office. So I don't have my three monitors set up. I'm just all on my MacBook right now. So we'll see how it goes. I was planning on putting my chart down here, but I guess I can put it back. All right. Okay, here we are. XII looks like it's starting something. I don't like the 15 being below the EMA, but I guess it's halted, so it doesn't matter. BSLK, no news. And it's below resistance. Overhighs could be pretty saucy. VLCN, this thing then already went so crazy. I don't even know what to expect. But oh hey, welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. Please hit the like button for me. Sorry for the subpar experience. Got babies in the background, but it's all good. Happy to be here. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, what they said in the military about excuses. Hey, that's why I'm here, bro. That's why I'm here, bro. The show must go on. How old are my kids? The kids living here are 4 and 1.5. 10-minute hold on XXII. Hmm. Dang, this thing has no volume. Yeah, they grow up so fast, man. They grow up so fast. Yeah, this is unwatchable. I'm not even gonna look at that one. OPAD. Hmm. Third day up on the daily. Massive extension. I guess it's yeah, pretty big volume last couple of days, relatively, I guess. Game was popping yesterday, wasn't it? This thing getting ready to open out of its second hole, maybe. Bro, this thing got like $1.50 spread. It ain't no way. It ain't no way. Yeah, she about to halt again. Yeah, yeah, it ain't no way, bro. You can't trade them kind of spreads. Spread 1 cent now. 11 seconds on XXII. What's up, Rob? You got in at 7 or something? Oh yeah, nice. Well, you sitting pretty now. See where that thing opens up at. Man, this thing has no news, but it's doing crazy volume. Looks terrible on the 15 though. Yeah, that thing is crazy. I'd be terrified. I'd be terrified. Oh yeah, that's how they were. Working from work. What up, Uncle Paul? Yeah, old school vibes. I'm glad y'all rocking with me, man. Appreciate y'all. Hit that like button for me too. Um, Yeah, we'll see how it holds up, man. See how it holds up. Oh, really could. When is a resumption on VLC? We got a minute 50. Minute 50 on VLCN. Paused at 9:44:40, so 9:49:40. EVTL. Wow, that's per T. See, this one I need you to call it out though, right here, Red. No, we're not here. Here. All right, a little bit earlier. It was a beautiful setup for me though. Beautiful, bruh. XXII, the last hope. Nah, it's still super early, but halted down. Nah. What up, Pharaoh? Yeah, I'm at the house, man. The power's out at the office, so I had to come out to the crib. Sound like a minute. Hey, baby. Doing okay? Feeling better? A little bit. Yeah, it's looking mad dead. What up, King? Um, VLCN back open. Looking pretty good there, Rob. What up, Knives? Yeah, power's out at my office, so I'm at home on the couch without my triple monitor setup and all that good stuff. No green screen. But we got it going. It was looking rough at first. Hey, VLCN over here. It's funny, I showed that weather modification video yesterday at the end of my stream, and then today, this morning in Kansas City, I guess last night, it was like light rain on the forecast, and then in the middle of the night, I get flood warnings and stuff coming on the phones, and 5 inches of rain. No, I actually I've been using Zendu scanner on YouTube. I used to use Trading Terminal. But they put a paywall up, and I'm not really ready to pay for anything yet. So I've been using Zendu. They stream a pretty cool scanner for what I'm looking for on YouTube. Stronger than yesterday. I hope it's stronger too. I mean, I didn't trade yesterday, so I think it was pretty good. But hey, we can do even better. Oh, I got you. I got you. Appreciate it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just keep building on it. Man, I kind of want to take VLCN right off of this hammer candle right here, but Need that higher high first. But I mean, you got the EMA test, then the higher low. I think that might be it. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it does feel like I should just stay away from that joint. And we're talking about like a $6 stop. Like, that seems silly. Seems silly, but it looks good. What kind of shares we looking like? I think I want to punch the shares in manually to make sure that I don't get no crazy slippage if I take it. I think I would have wanted it right over 42, but what we looking like, bruh, it just seems stupid. 7 dollar stock. We ain't gonna do nothing crazy on this. 1. Like it's about to make a decision for me. 16, 80, all down. Right. I think XXII is finished. 42.22. Man, nice going, Rob. What up, Wave Rider? DPRO. Yeah, that thing is too scary, man. What's the float on VLCN? Wow, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Dang, on the XXII playing the Hulk. 544K. Yeah, bro, I'm cool on that. That's the micro flow for a $40 stock. Come on, man. Hey, baby. Yeah, thing. Only thing looking like a possible is BSLK. But it don't even have news. I don't even know why it's still on my chart. Went. Mm, mm. Yeah, I mean, it just needs some kind of real narrow range entry to make it like worthwhile. Like, take a $6 candle. From yesterday. Mm. Yeah, I wouldn't have touched it yesterday, but it looks great today for sure. Wow, nice little bounce on SOAR. Daily a little sketch, but things stretching. Bruh, it's about to be nothing. Yeah, I kind of felt like XXII sold off a little too much in pre-market. Man, I think like since May, it's, I feel like since May has been pretty weak, man. Pretty weak. No, for real, Rob. I mean, that first halt to me, first halt on the first move up, I think that thing is like golden. Sometimes. Yeah, definitely sometimes. Yeah, it's super iffy. Yeah, it's just the lack of control. I don't like it. Kind of like pre-market without a stop. I feel like there's a obvious vulnerability in pre-market, you know. Hmm, just pop and drop, huh? Yeah, that was actually my experience when I used to chase pre-market. Well, I guess that was alerts. So the news would come out, and then the guy who did the alerts would see the news, take his trade, and then alert the group. So there was quite a bit of distance in between the news and The alert. Yo, what up, HH? Yeah, I see the same thing, HH. MRKR. Wow. Yeah, for sure. But, when I trade at the open, I don't need the rapid news deployment. I just need it to be sometime before the bell, preferably before an hour before the bell or 30 minutes before the bell. Yeah, nothing but green candles, man. Not a red one in sight since pre-market. Very strong. DPRO. We were just looking at that. Yeah, that looks solid. That looks solid. This one right here was in play for sure. Back in the green. Hey, that's what's up. I forgot about Went. I think I'm gonna go on and get rid of VLCN. Throw Went up there. Hmm. Nice. PDYN. Wow. Look at that. Mm-mm-mm. Mm, bro. This thing gonna have to sell off the rest of the day. It's gonna print all the green candles of the day right now. It's gonna have to the rest of the candles gonna have to be red. I don't even remember pulling up DPRO yesterday. You got news? Mm-hmm. Lymphoma. Delicious. You still talking about MRKR, Rob? That's nice on the 15, man. Man, went cheap as hell. 135, 135. Is that lower day too? Oh yeah. If it crack 135, I don't know. There it is, 134. No news on MRKR. What up, Ben? Feels like it. Now, power went out in my office, so I'm at home on the couch. Yeah, bro, it's in an all-out downtrend, man. Stay away from that joint. The fading triangle. Uh, I'm fancy. That's funny. Prison treatment. I done took VLCN off. Yee. All down. Ugh, nasty boy. Bruh. XXII just literally died. Literally died. Yeah, ain't no way. Um, ABVE. Dang, that was fire off the open. Golly. Daily kind of crazy though. PTCS. Not yesterday. Mhm. Yeah. That looks pretty nice on BTCS on the daily. I mean, aside from being 3 days up, but like gapping up over this candle and this high. Mm, yeah, that looks pretty fire. Hmm. How much were they when you talked to them? It's not that bad. Nah, volume ain't bad. Dollar something. Okay, sound like they did pretty well for themselves. Now back to red. I tell you what. One thing I've always lacked is a sort of strategy for managing out my green day and still trading. Like I've had so many nice green days where I just kept trading and ended up closing red. Like disastrous. Yeah, still early, man. Still early, bro. Plenty of opportunities. What's that, Trey? Green to red? Yeah, that sucks. That's the thing. I don't really have rules to keep me from turning my Green Day red. Like I kind of have some in my head. Like I think overall, giving back more than 2R of profit is wild. Um, I think going red to green is definitely if you got like if I'm up 2R, I shouldn't be able to leave red. Like maybe break even, but if I'm up 2R and I get down to break even, I know for sure I'm going to be like. Man, this 15 is great. I'm for sure I'm gonna be. I would rather in the moment, I would rather it's low 32, 54, 32 comfort. Um, I'd rather leave red than break even. Like I'd rather for sure take another trade and risk another R than leave break even. And that mentality has led to a lot of red days because then it's like, dang, I could have left break even. Now I'm down 1R. Now I gotta get this R back. And then boom, now you down 2R. And it's just like, dang, man, I could have left when I was green or left when I was down one or down two. You know, it's such a slippery slope, man. Um, if it goes red, then I don't know. I would say I probably need to rework my rules to not give back so much. Like if I get to 2R on the day, then I can take one more trade. I don't know, but then if you see another setup after you take that one trade, yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough. Think it's done, Paul. I kind of like what it's doing under pre-market, but I didn't expect it to stay below that high this long. Um, it's hard being a man, bro. I'm sitting here cold and I don't want to get a blanket because I don't want to look soft, but I'm about to go get a blanket. I'll be back. Airing out the refrigerator. It's open. All right. Ice in the beer. Ah, that's better. I don't think we're gonna be taking any trades today, man. That's what it's really looking like. Mm, Daily's not my type of daily either. I would say that's done. BS okay, no news. So I mean, I keep saying that, but it's still there. Went is too cheap, and I don't know, bro. Is there's nothing. There's nothing. Who got something? What was on the list originally? VLCN. Yeah, it ain't nothing here, bro. ABV. I don't care for the daily at all. Is there like really good news on? Well, it's got to be news if HH looking at it, right? Nope, I don't even see no news. What's going on, HH? You straight, bro? You good? Man, this was the entry right here for sure. I mean, I guess it would have been off high a day or actually this level. Could wait for one more pullback, but it's pretty nice off the 15 right there. Mm. But again, we trading right into this day, which how much volume? Oh, it's just 287,000 shares. If this thing don't get slapped here, I'm gonna be very surprised. MRKR. Mm. Hey, it's actually a really good daily. No news today either. SEC filing for ABVE. Guess that's news. But daily resistance on it is nasty. Nasty. Yeah, that's untradeable for me, bro. Can't do it. Uh, hold it down. It's all trash, bro. Hold on, VS, yeah, no. Throwing a couple green candles. I like this fitting right here. Fitting looking kind of cool. Mm, yeah, this entry right here was really good. That would have been cool, but the daily is not cool. 317. Mm. Highest volume of the day on that move. Line over the top. Wait for reset. Mm. Wow, that thing popped. That thing popped. The daily resistance is just terrifying to me. It hasn't done even close to enough volume today to approach. this day. But actually, the day before, though, well, that should already been squeezed out up here. Hmm. Keep using past data. Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see how well it does past pre-market high. I can't see it grinding through all of that, but it could, man. It could definitely maybe get up to 350. Yeah. MRKR back to the EMA. Gave back more than half of its day. Hmm. Look like it touched it, huh? Yeah, it broke it. 320. Well done, Red. Mm. Hmm. Yeah, that thing looks toast. 15 is terrible. Hmm. This could do something. Higher high, higher low. The 15 is looking decent. I'm gonna be really impressed if this thing goes up to the highs. 440. Red on XXII, green on DPRO, green on ABVE, finishing. Hey, there you go. Made it back. Made it back to the green side. Well done, T-boy. Well done. Mm. Aside from the daily, ABVE looks great and it's super strong. Nice commitment from the buyers. Three green candles, one red, three green, one red. Looking real solid. Yeah, I was telling Eric yesterday that you got to be super locked in after yesterday because the market want their money back. Yo, this thing's looking really good. You still in there, Red? Or you got? Did you get out on this red candle? Hmm. You still holding though? Red? Super nice entry too, man. Super nice. Yeah, I was definitely expecting the slab. I just can't see it grinding through that. It's just so much volume, bro. Hey, VLCN. Let's see if we get back over 3050. 25 minutes. Yep. Mm. Hey, VLCN might come on back, man. Might come on back. You still watching MRKR? I thought MRKR was no news. It's got a nice day. He just wants to. Yeah, but look at it in the range of pre-market. Like back over this high, I think it'd be pretty nice. Although, yeah, this thing looking real good, bro. Nice little consolidation on the 15. Just need some confirmation on the 5. Watching for research purposes. Man, what is going on? $2 a share. Bro, this mug is looking fantabulous right now. Got the higher high. Hmm. All we need is a higher low pullback now. Maybe another 10, 15. I don't know if we're gonna make it though. Hmm. ABVE. 29. VLCN, I like it. I really like to take these trades right off the 15 sometimes, but the five can keep you out of the fails because it's just like an extra layer of confirmation. Europa. Hey, that's what's up. Uh, what we talking about? MRKR? What push? Are we talking about VLCN? Okay, yeah, you said 29. 29. Yo, what up, Jack? Am I at the spa? Nah, my power went out at the office, so I'm at home on the couch with a blanket because I'm cold. That's funny. DLC. Yeah. Oh, that's looking sketchy. Still got a minute to close better though. Yeah, man. What's MRKR talking about? Hey, the volume over here is, I guess it's not that bad. Huh? Okay, this thing is still pumping out quite a bit of volume. That's a nice little pullback right there, ain't it? Ooh wee. That is nice. I should have took that. Highest volume of the day though. This thing keeps pumping highest volume of the day. The open was so weak, I guess it's just every push is highest volume of the day. Yeah, this was the entry though. But I don't know if I would have taken it after this red candle. Yeah, might not have. And then this one feels even worse. Total sell signal. Yeah, that's bet. Yeah, the open was super weak. That's why I'm sketching all these high volume candles. Man, I don't like it below yesterday's high, Jack, but um, this kind of feels like a pretty nice bottom right here. But mm, I could see some potential here. Yeah, the daily scares me though. Yesterday being a really high volume day, and then actually the last 2 days. That's the only thing. Yeah, I would. What's VWAP right now for that, Jack? Yeah, I definitely see that, Rob, because it's no there's nothing I feel confident about like for a long run at all. Yeah, I need a little bit more of that in my game. The in and out. Man, ABVE is just I'm still gonna stand on my thesis that it's not gonna be able to fight through that though. Yeah, for sure. The pattern's great. Just don't feel confident in it. Man, back over 307. Yeah, I'd expect. A thesis is a proven hypothesis. Hmm. Is it? Hmm. All right, we'll call it a hypothesis then. Make me want to look that up though. I feel like I remembered the hypothesis was a part of the thesis, but it's been a while. Uh, Man, this looked like a go back over 307. Hmm. Nope. Rules say no. It does look like it's bullish, but that doesn't mean that I have Entry that I can take. You got NABVE? Uh, yeah, I'm gonna have to watch y'all on that one. I think so too, Paul. I'm excited to see. Meanwhile, we got VLCN over here cooking nicely. Didn't hold that high, but let's see if it holds this high. Got 10 minutes. uh, VLCN looking pretty fire right now. Went. Let's see, man. It looks so good. You in there too, huh, HH? Yeah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm happy to watch you guys though. Golly, bro. VLCN still got like a 50 cent, 80 cent spread on it. You had to do a stop limit on this mug. Yeah, my money's on a double top or lower high. I hope it goes though, because I want y'all to win, but that's where my money's at. Here we go. Yeah, I don't see nothing for me, Paul. I just want to see how this gonna play out. It look like it's about to go though. The buyers are rolling in here, sorta. On a market order, dang man, that's what I'm scared of. The slippage is so bad. That's why I'm thinking if I trade it, I would just do a stop limit order and whatever price I get. Well, I don't know. That kind of doesn't sound great either. What's it gonna be? It look like it's gonna go. Yeah, about to get it. Yeah, about to get it. High today is 22, and that's bet 36.75. Let's see what's about to crack. Did you get in, Trey? Oh, you got in VLCN. I mean, did you get in VLCN? You talking about Went right now? Went looks cool on the 15. S bet at 36.75. Okay, that looks pretty solid now. Looks pretty solid. Look like we got some ignition here on the buyers on the 15. Yeah, man, I feel pretty good about that, Jack. Oh, no trades yet, Trey? Look at VLCN, boy. That thing is looking good. See, this that trade I've been wanting to take where you get the high that breaks, you get the higher high, and then the next candle dips back below and then breaks. Stop under this candle, entry over the high, and then you in there. Still got a nice stop underneath the EMA and the previous high too. It's a really great place for the stop. I'm about to add this to the book. I'm about to add it to the book. It has the higher high has to close above the last high, and then the next candle can't break the low, and then you just buy the break. I don't know. It's still a hypothesis. I need more data to develop a thesis. 4070. Yeah. This hammer might have been the one right there. Third candle up. Up 35.67, low side 29.19. I know, man. I'm gonna miss it. I need a red candle though. I'm not buying the third green candle or the fourth green candle. I need to give me one red candle that holds this high. It's not gonna make it in time. It's 9:56, bro. We done. I'm pretty much just waiting to see what's gonna happen with ABVE at this point. Yeah, I know, Uncle Paul. It's over. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. Hmm. You might want to put them stops underneath three. 299. Nah, don't listen to me. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. You can do it. I love those invitations, Rob. It looks so solid though. The one is solid. 15's creeping up. Like if this candle closed red, that would be the tempting to jump in. But this candle setup right here, I'm telling you, bro, this mug is solid. Higher high closes above, and then boop 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 boop. You jumping, you getting out. Yeah, I told y'all. Getting some evidence for my hypothesis, Red. It's about to turn into a thesis in a minute. Yeah, VLCN look like it's where the party at. Dang, bro, it just ain't gonna print no red candle for me. Not one. Yeah, yeah, it makes sense now. I read about it. I remember. I'm telling you, man, I've played myself so many times in this setup that I just I know you did send me an invitation, Rob. I need your invitation to line up with my buy signal though. Uh-oh, it might still come back. Don't call it a comeback. Just buy one share. Nah. The thing is, this is the sauce right here. The thing is, when I sit down here, I'm not chasing money. That's always been my ruin, is chasing money. Chasing, like trying to find the thing that's going up. Like, oh man, it's going up. You know, that's not the game. The game is how consistently can I perfectly trade my rules without mistakes. Maybe. But in my my hypothesis on that, Red, is that most of the ones that I don't that it seems like I don't sell soon enough are ones that don't actually trend, which that part does need some adjusting because these small caps, they often don't trend. So um, I am actively trying to take profit sooner. Um, Dang, it went, y'all. It went. It sure went. Yeah. Nah, I shouldn't have though. I shouldn't have. If there is any doubt, like my best trades, it's like there's no doubt. You know what I mean? Like everything's there. And I've conceded. I've finally conceded that there's gonna be stocks that go that it's a no trade. It's still a no trade for me, even though it's bullish and it's going up and all of that stuff. But um, it's just I have to consistently trade my setup, even if my strategy is trash, right? I will never truly know that until I get a clean data set of like trading it consistently for a long period of time. You know, I won't know. But um, from what I can see, from what I can ascertain from my journal, it seems like when I follow this set of rules that I have, I do well. And it seems like the majority of my losses are from my inability to follow the rules. Like to sit here like right now, there's nothing that has except maybe this trade, but I don't think I would have gotten in after this red candle. Maybe the 15 was really good, so I think I might have gotten in here because we got the higher high. I would have put a line here, and maybe could have done that, but um, most often, most often the rule I don't follow is not waiting for the higher high. Like I'll buy a higher low inside of a downtrend because it's a higher low. Like, oh, it's the beginning of the downtrend, and then it makes a lower high and continues the downtrend. That's my most often mistake. And then the next one is buying the first pullback after a parabolic move up, which would have been like buying this pullback right here after this candle, which would have worked this time. And just understanding that like seeing it work now normally would make me come in tomorrow and see that and be like, well, shoot, it worked yesterday. Let me take it. Even though I've developed a rule based on it failing, a lot of times. I mean, at some point, this thing's going to get enough volume underneath it that it's actually going to go somewhere. S bet failed. Yeah, no doubt, Ben. I mean, you've been with me since the very beginning, bro. And I remember you used to say, I mean, we really don't know if your strategy works or not because you never follow it, right? And yeah, so we just here now, man. This is I'm Red Devil. I've completely accepted your opinion, Red Devil. I've just accepted that you just don't see what I see, and I haven't proven it to you yet. So, it's cool. But if you hang out long enough, I believe that you will see. Yeah, and that's where my rules have come from. Like that's why I won't buy this setup because it just fails all the time. But this thing looks super solid now. Uh, so congrats to you guys who are winning on it. Congratulations. We love you too, HH. Glad to have you here, man. Yeah, I think the room for flexibility comes with experience and a track record of success. And I see room to do that. Like, uh, he was all over that AI girl. She was real though. She's a real girl. She's a real girl. Um, broken clock. Yeah. Who said broken clock? Hold on. Oh, yeah. Rob. Uh, yeah, that's all it is. Like this ability, like to have two no trade days in a row. Like, can you imagine? Like, bro, last year, I don't think I had a no trade day at all 2024. I'm pretty sure my first one was in 2025. Yeah, I'm definitely the no selling thing is that's a P&L issue of me thinking about the P&L. But as soon as I conquer that, the sales are going to be beautiful. Um, but yeah, like just to literally sit here and not see anything, and then not just be like, well, even though I don't see my setup, I'm gonna go ahead and trade ABVE because it looks bullish, and I'm gonna just jump in, and put my stop here because that makes sense to me. And that works sometimes because I do have a basis of reading price action and seeing bullishness and all of that stuff. But it's like it goes from that to just like freestyling, man. Yeah, I'm using too much risk for my account size. That's been a definitely a constant problem for me. Mostly because of the pressure of feeling like I need to do this right now, which I created for myself. Um, Yeah, exactly, HH. Exactly. And that's what I've learned. Like just because it looks bullish does not mean you can buy it. Like the setup, it tells you where to put your stop, where your risk is, where you need to take profit. If I'm just getting in random things like, I don't even have a real strategy or plan for my approach and execution. So it's just reckless. It's just reckless. The leverage isn't the problem though. No, I'm saying if I take random trades, Red, I don't have a plan because it's not a part of my system. Like I'm just trading, you know. But when I have a plan, like, when I get in off of my strategy, I know exactly where I'm putting my stop. I know where my first targets are. That thing is moving right on through there. It sure is. It's moving right on through. Moving right on through. No problem. We missed out on that one, Uncle Paul, but I feel great about it, man. I'm just happy to be here. Like so many days where I would get in, uh, when I would sit down. Wow, congratulations, you guys. Congratulations. It's a banger now. Ooh-wee. Buy one share. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. That's what does that do for me though? Like, what does that do for my journal and the data? What does that do for my discipline muscle? You know, it's just like emotions. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to me, buying one share is emotions. Like I know I shouldn't trade this. I know it's not part of my strategy, but I want to trade it so bad. I'm gonna just buy one share. Like, why? Why? Let's come back tomorrow. Let's come back tomorrow, man. It is all good. Yo, look at this 60, man. It was clean, bro. This thing's been clean the whole time. Well, yeah, but I mean, bro, it's not working out to you. I actually believe in my strategy, and so I'm okay with being patient and trading my strategy. You seen me trade. So what do you think about my good trades? They're just accidents. I guess they probably seem like it, huh? Just like hitting the broadside of a building. Just just happens. Random as expected. Uh, you just ain't been around long enough, I think. Unless all of you guys feel like that. Is that how everybody feels? My day ones? Is that how y'all feel? Let me know, man. I need the reality check. Let me know if I should just throw it all in the trash and save up for a Ross course. Red be having me want to look at my journal. Like, let me go and after a good dose of red, I gotta go back to my to May. I gotta go look at my May trades. Like, let me get some encouragement here. May was my the best month I've ever had. But no, I mean I have good trades all the time. Just finishing profitably though is a bit different. Mhm. But anyway, I'm not here to convince you or anything. Just here to trade with you guys. I need no rules for a week. Nah, bro, I already did all that, man. I already did all that. I already did all of that. This is the power that's been missing. Yeah, the water thing, I'm cool on that. Yeah. All right, y'all, that's my time. Thanks for hanging out with me, even on my raggedy backup stream off the living room couch. Still had a great time with you guys. Hit that like button for me, subscribe if you haven't, Discord links in the description, and hopefully I'll be back in my office tomorrow and finish out the week, man. All right, y'all. Protect that green, man. Holla. Peace.